And that there is one of the best friend's nests. I'm right under this little verge. I've nearly got a backside in the water. It's just in this little bankside. That is feeding young in there. I don't know. You can see a puppet. A little fuzzy. Anyways, what a little beauty that one is. I might stick the camera on, see if I can get these wrens going in. So hard to spot that. So hard to spot. Look at the camouflage on that. And that's it in there. Little beauty that is. Date. Just to put a date on it. There it is, on the hottest days, Tuesday, July the 19th. Sunny day, snowflake Britain had a meltdown. Little wren. Couldn't even find it. There. Oh. Nice one. Out for a little wander today in this little wooded area. One of the hottest days today, Tuesday the 19th of July 2022. We'll have a little look, see what we can find on the nest in front. Little wrens back there, which was an absolute corker, so well hidden right underneath. But we're going to track this little waterway here and see if there's anything in here. Plenty of bird noise, plenty of bullfinch. We'll have a little look. just come up this little bank here. I want to rest at the top. I am absolutely lathered. I've got shade, but the heat in here is just unbelievable. My God, this is tropical heat. Anyways, I've come across this. I think it looks like a little activity from a stoat. There's its little burrow there. There's a few feathers here. However, we've got broken eggshells. Broken eggshell there. Had a little feast on eggs. Mallards, it looks like. And he's in there. No. So I will absolutely die. But he's in there. Is that more eggshell there? No, I'll leave. Well hidden. But yeah, a little mound. I think the stoat's in there. Yeah. A little bit further around now. What a lovely little area this is. I'll have a little look down there because that bounce right there underneath there. It's perfect. Grey wagtails, dipper, wren, robin. What a lovely little area this is. I'm on a little bit of a bank here, like. I'll get down. I'll have a little blast of it. See what we can find. Whoa. Bloody hell. It's not a very solid bank. Overhang there. Let's get in there. That looks pretty deep to me. Oh, my welly boots. Nice little area. Anyways, stop the camera, have a look around. I don't go over the top with me wellies. So I'm going to have a look around here. Beautiful little spot. Very surprised there's nothing around here. Depends how late I am. Look at the little area in there. How cool is that? Stop the camera, let's have a look. Well, this is the first one. That little wren's nest in there. This could be a secondary one, a building. Seems to be right for rent at the moment. Doesn't have anything in as yet, but there it is. It's a lovely little one nestled in there. Look at the camouflage on that. Beauty. A little too deep there. Can't be well he's in. Just on the opposite side of that little bankside is. It is absolutely perfect. Perfect. But I am not. Oh shit. Reflection off the water, shine a little bit of light in, but cannot get over. There's an old nest. Looks like a grey wagtail, I would say, just nestled in there. It's the right size. Of course it's an older one there. It's nestled just under this bankside. I've just seen a dipper up there from out the bankside, so I'm going to have a look up there. Teeming. Oh yeah. What a beautiful little place. I've never been here. Anyways, switch off, switch on if I find anything.